welcome back to my channel. As you can see, so in this video you guys will get to see how I got my hair into this color. So yes, I did it myself as always, and you guys can do that by yourself as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions, if you have any video requests, let me know. Also, thank you so much, guys. We are on 300 subscribers. We are going to 500. Then we hit 1,000. Then we are going to 10K. Don't ask me why I'm doing Nigerian accent, because I also don't know. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click on that notification bell to be notified every time I post, because I will be posting a video every single week, even twice a week. Honey, that commitment, if you know me and commitment, you know that's a big deal. Okay, with that being said, let's get straight into this video. Please make sure you read the instructions. Firstly, you're going to wear your gloves. Pour in your lightening powder into your mixing bowl together with your lightening developer. Then you want to mix using your brush to the right consistency. Okay, so we're going to apply the lightening mixture onto our hair. I basically wanted the purple to pop, so hence the bleaching process. If you have bleached hair already, you don't have to go through this process. If your hair is long, I would suggest that you go to a hair salon so that they can bleach you, or just don't try it at all because it can damage your hair. So basically I'm just going into the roots and making sure that the bleach is everywhere in my hair, and I'm just gonna be, you know, digging in, going to the corners and whatnot. I would suggest that you also apply Vaseline on your hairline, just so that your edges are basically intact, and also at the back of your ear so that your skin is protected, because bleach can actually burn your skin. There's this reddish color that's coming out. Is because I had dyed my hair pink previously, and you're just going to leave the bleach for about 5 minutes. We have washed our hair. You don't have to dry it, it has to be damp. We're just going to mix our colorant into our mixing bowl, and we're going to add conditioner to make it a bit lighter, because I found that the dye was too dark of a purple. I wanted it to be a bit lighter, and you can add more conditioner to make it even more lighter. So now I'm just going to apply the colorant using the brush onto my hair. You can just go through with your gloves and just rub in the dye onto your hair, and it's much more easier to just go in with the gloves, because your hands are already protected, and short hair is much more easier to manage when it comes to dyeing. So hence I just enjoy dyeing my hair. With that, I'm just gonna leave it for about 10 to 20 minutes onto your hair and wash it, and I'll be back. You're basically done. Just dry your hair, moisturize it, and style it to your own preference. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like it if you guys want me to be nice and do a finger lines tutorial. Let me know in the comments. Yeah, and you know, I'll see you guys next week. This is the end of the video, so bye. Remember, let me say this, I gotta say this now. Stay styling. Phuti Styles.